Alright, well, I just put some primer on it. That's my return. But I'll be back over here to paint this tomorrow. But yeah, good to go. Good to go. Well, I didn't have I might have the first part, shit, I don't know. But got it welded up. I got my return. It's down there, like you'll probably already see. I'm about to paint it. Make it look as good as I can make it look. I still might buy me an aluminum tank though, but we're gonna start off with this one. I went with an aluminum paint. I got the other side primed up. About to paint the other side, but yeah. I just needed to not rain. I mean, it looks clear. I can hear thunder and shit, so don't rain. It'll be a good day. I'm gonna try to upload this shit one last time. This is the problem I'm having. These straps don't fit at all. And if anybody knows of any other GM vehicle that makes a strap slightly longer than these G-body straps, please let me know. I don't necessarily need no likes. I need some motherfucking information. Because I've been over here wrestling with this shit for the last 3-4 hours. So if anybody knows of any straps that'll work, please let me know. But if I ever do get this shit figured out, this is where it will sit. So I guess you might see that. And then up there on there, I'm gonna mount it, the fuel pump over there, just up a little bit. Well, Matt, 1973 Dunk, I believe, aka Zone 15 Racing. Your information was spot on, my brother. I appreciate it. This one, I just gotta tighten that one up a little bit. But I just went and bought me some longer bolts. Should have thought of that shit my goddamn self. But hey, I didn't. Matt, good looking on the intel, my brother. All right. So now this puts me back in a better mood. So let's see what we can get going. Well, this will be for YouTube. I had a couple issues, but I figured it out. I had to go get a way, like, I got to go get a longer bolt, longer one of these. This motherfucker, these motherfuckers right here. I had to go get longer ones of these because this shit was not working at all. I was getting beyond frustrated with this damn car, trying all kinds of shit. But my homeboy hit me with just a very, very simple suggestion, and it worked. So I got that in. Let me see. I'll make it part of this video too. My next thing I'm going to do, but I gotta go get the fucking screws to do it, is mount my fuel pump. I'm thinking about mounting it right here. Thinking about mounting it right here. So yeah, about right here should work. Yeah, whatever. Thinking about mounting about right here. I'm gonna go look up some OG bodies, see if anybody else mounted theirs. But I'm thinking about right about here. See what we can do. Alright, but that concludes this update. But yeah, tank in, painted. Sorry, gonna scratch it up a little bit, but hey, it's in there. Make it do what it do.